let me give you the complete overview. So what we are discussing here, first let's talk about the sales cycle. Okay, how exactly the sales cycle takes place? We will not go into too much detail, but at least the basic sales cycle. Let's start from the sales order. Can you tell me what are the different stages in the sales cycle?
Inquiry.
Sorry?
Inquiry.
Okay, inquiry. You are starting from inquiry. So what will happen after the
Quotation.
inquiry? You will give the quotation to the customer.
Sale.
Purchase order.
You will create a sales order. Once the customer has clicked on the quotation, you will create a sales order in the system. What will happen next?
So delivery.
Delivery. Okay, which may be including PGI. PGI is nothing but post goods issue. You issue the material to the customer.
Billing.
Bill the customer, right? Billing. Okay, and after the billing, definitely you are expecting the payment from the customer, right? Payment receipt. Okay, so these are the different transactions that you will. There's some background noise. Can you just mute? Yeah, thank you. So these are the different transactions which will go through the sales cycle. Okay, now it may happen that in some companies it may happen. Let's start with the sales order. I don't want to confuse you with the inquiry and quotation at this stage. So let's say the sales order is created by a particular party. Okay, sales order is created by normally it is called as sold to party. Okay, let's say the delivery is done to some other party, ship to party. Okay, billing is generated for bill to party, and finally the payment is made by the payer. Okay, let's try to understand this thing in detail now. When you create a sales order, in the sales order you need to enter the sold to party, the party who is giving you this order. Okay, let's assume in the example, let's assume you got the order from Amazon. So your sold to party, let's say, is Amazon India. Amazon India is giving you the order for a particular material. Amazon India is asking you to deliver the material to, or maybe even if you want to simplify it, let's say Amazon, instead of countries, I'm writing the cities within India. So Amazon Bengaluru has given you the order and they have asked you to deliver the material to Amazon Gurgaon. Okay, they asked you to send the bill to Amazon Mumbai, which is head office. Okay, let's assume this is the head office. All the bills should be received at head office. And finally, the payer is also Amazon Mumbai. So Amazon Mumbai is taking care of, it is a headquarter, it is receiving all the invoices from different vendors, and ultimately they are making the payments from the head office itself. So in this particular case, you can see, although the sales cycle will go through one single sales process, okay, the sales order will be also created for like one single sales order will be created. Against the sales order, delivery will be made. Against the delivery, billing will be created, and against the billing you are expecting the payment. But the problem is there are multiple partners involved here. There are multiple parties involved here. Okay, this may not be the case for each and every scenario. Most of the times, you can say most of the customers are, there is single customer who is sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. But for big customers, this is very common scenario. So that is the reason these are called as different partners. These are called as partner functions in SAP. So sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and this is a payer. These are called as partner functions in SAP. Okay, so for whenever you are creating a customer under the sales area, system will ask you who is sold to party, who is bill to party, who is ship to party, and who is a payer. These are 4 important information that system will definitely ask you, so that system should be able to process all these sales cycles. If you just create a customer, if you just create a sales in the sales area, that will not help the system to determine the bill to party, ship to party, payer, and sold to party. And that is the reason those partner functions determination is one of the very important activity. Okay, so what is happening currently when I'm trying to create a customer, system is automatically not proposing the sold to party, ship to party. So what I can do is I can do F4. Okay, you can see it is even not giving you the option of the different partner functions which are available. The reason for this is, if you see the general data tab, the customer group that is being used, we are using customer group RDO1. Account group we are using RDO1. This customer account group has to be configured, and we have to tell the system which particular partner functions are assigned to this account group. Okay, so that is one of the configuration and the mandatory configuration, without which even we will not be able to create a single sales order. Right? So, any questions till now? Have you understood what are the different partner functions, why those partner functions are required?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go to SPRO, because this partner function determination and assigning to the account groups is the activity which we need to do the configuration. Okay, so again, I will keep it simple. I will not discuss too much in detail about the partner function at this stage. Our today's agenda is just to understand the whole cycle, and then we will talk about this one by one activities in detail. And that is the reason I'm just performing the mandatory task today. I'm going to sales and distribution. Within sales and distribution, I'll go to basic functions. And in basic functions, you would be able to see the partner determination. Okay, in this partner determination, there are various different steps involved. Okay, so first of all, you want to determine the partner in the customer master data, or you want to determine the partner directly in the sales documents, or in the delivery, or in the shipping. So as of now, what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to achieve the partner determination in the customer master data itself. And that is the reason I will double click on this. Okay, now there are different partner determination procedures and all, which we will discuss in detail. As of now, what I'll do is I will just go to this account groups. Okay, double click on this, and I will make sure that at least the important partner functions. Okay, you can see there are a lot of partner functions. Someone has created customer hierarchy. There is customer hierarchy 2, 3, 4. All these things are not relevant for us. What is relevant most importantly for us is mainly I need the sold to party. Okay, SP. And I am just copying the ones which are assigned to 0001. So I'm copying SP. I will go further. After SP, I'll be able to see CP is not relevant to me as of now. We will see later on if it is required. Okay, I need bill to party. So again, I'm copying the one which is assigned to 0001. Again, I'm going down. After the BP, if I go down, I can see the pair. So I will select PY. Again, 0001 account group. And then if I go down, the one which is left is ship to party, which is SH. So I'll copy this. These are the 4 important partner functions that I need at this stage. So what I'll do simply, I will copy this. Okay, and here I'll provide my account group, the account group that we created, the new one, which is in our case, it is RDO1. Okay, so I'm telling the system that for this account groups, I need this many partner functions. Okay, just keep on pressing enter. If there is any error, it is RDO1, not 01. So RDO1. again RD01, and RD01. Okay, once this is done, try to save it. And then let's try to go to our BP master once again. Or maybe in order to reflect this new changes, I will do /n so that it gets refreshed, and I'll go to transaction BP once again. Okay, so I want to see, now this is a screen. Now the question is, how will you find the customer that you just now created? Okay, when you open the BP screen and you want to see the customer, if you already remember the number, you can click on this button, open BP, and you just provide the number. So you will say 31010, and it will automatically take you to that particular business partner. But what if you don't remember this? Okay, so if you go to BP, you'll be able to see like this, find the business partner. So you can find the business partner by the business partner number, by search term. Okay, so if you remember the name, if you remember the search term, if you remember the number, or if you remember the customer number, so all the options are provided here. Okay, let's say I'll go with search term. I know I provided the search term as RECH. So there can be multiple customers with this search term. When you click on start, system will show you all those customers where you entered RECH in the search term. Okay, you can see these are the multiple customers, and you have to find out which one is relevant to you. So here everything seems same because we are just providing the test codings, but normally you will be able to see the actual names of the customers, and it would be easier for you to find it out. Okay, also, if you don't want to go with search term, let's go with customer number. Okay, if you come here, system will give you the option of F4. And here you can enter the name itself. Okay, so if you remember the name, in my case, I'm saying star RECH star. So it will show me all those customers where the name contains RECH. Star in the beginning and star at the end, which means all those matching criteria where RECH comes in between. Okay, just press enter. You can see these are the 3 customers which I'm able to see. I select this one and click on start. So it will only show me this particular customer. Okay, let's double click on this. And here, now if I want to extend it to role FLCU01. Okay, I'll select FLCU01. I'll go to sales and distribution tab. I need to provide the sales area details, which is this one. And then whatever important fields you want to enter, you can enter. Let me go to the partner function. If you do F4 here, why it is not showing? Just make sure that the group that we are using is correct. Or maybe let's try directly entering it. No, it is still not showing. Something wrong. So set up the partner determination, set up for the customer, account group to function assignment, just verify. SP sold to party, RD01. Are we using the same? It is RD01 itself. BP. This is my customer. Okay, let me go to FLCU01, sorry. Okay, and then go to sales and distribution. Sales organization is RECH, distribution channel is 02, and division is R1. Partner functions are still not appearing.